84 days after Times Now exposed the former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, his ouster became inevitable. Today, with the Lok Ayukta court rejecting his bail, the former Chief Minister's trouble snowballed. His arrest imminent, but not one to go down without the cursory drama, B.S. Yediyurappa, for a few anxious moments after the arrest warrant was issued, was nowhere to be found. Then at about 4:45, B.S. Yediyurappa surrendered before the Lok Ayukta court and is now firmly behind bars, most likely till the 22nd of October.
Till the time B.S. Yediyurappa's family entered the Lok Ayukta court in Bangalore, it seemed all would be well for the former Chief Minister. In 1 hour, the shocker.
The Lok Ayukta police have reached the residence of former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. He will be arrested any time now.
We will be making an application for exemption from being arrested before the High Court, and if the High Court will to give such an exemption, we will avail the benefit of the same. Or otherwise, if the High Court will to say that we will have to first surrender and then thereafter pursue our application for bail before the High Court, we will be left with no option except surrendering before the court.
There had been enough drama inside, as the other leader, Krishnaiah Shetty, whose bail was also rejected, fainted while the judge ordered his arrest. Within minutes, the Lok Ayukta police was at Yediyurappa's doorstep, but he was nowhere to be found.
Lok Ayukta sources confirming that B.S. Yediyurappa is not inside this residence. There were reports in the morning that he was dead.
Till news came out that Mr. Yediyurappa had arrived at the Lok Ayukta court to surrender.
In the chamber of Judge Sudhindra Rao, I saw B.S. Yediyurappa there. He's reached there. He's there at the judge's chamber. He is currently surrendering.
Soon after, he was led out by the police as the former Chief Minister tried hard to keep the smile on his face.
B.S. Yediyurappa very dramatically appeared here at the special court and surrendered himself. He was then taken to the Parappan Agrahara, Bangalore Central Jail.
And then, the cavalcade was on its way to the Bangalore Central Prison, where Yediyurappa has been sent for the next 7 days.
There are a lot of policemen around here, as well as a good amount of security now that he is inside and the procedures are on.
Finally, the cavalcade arrived at the prison, and the former Chief Minister was whisked inside. And the gates of the jail shut. A day of high drama, and the BJP's strongest man in the south behind bars. Bureau Report, Times Now.